If you're looking for a sturdy, multifunctional bowling bag, look no further. The Goloni 2-ball rolling bowling bag comes with just about anything you might need for storage of your bowling gear. At the top of the bag is the shoe compartment. Personally, I am a men's size 12 shoe, and my shoes fit perfectly snug right in there. The zipper can be a bit hard to zip at the edges, but overall, it's a very easy to use zipper. Next up, on the side of the bowling bag is a small compartment where you can put things like a rosin bag or paperwork and other things like that. Then we have the main section, the compartment for holding your two bowling balls. Opening it up, we can see a few key things here. The first thing you might notice is that each bowling ball is securely fastened with a Velcro strap, as you can see. I personally like to make these straps as tight as possible so that the balls have little room to move. And in the middle section, we have a divider or separator that keeps the two balls apart. Even more is that there are two zippered shut sections adjacent to the bowling ball section, which can be used to store things like a chamois. Next, I just want to take a closer look at its deeper functionalities that provide convenience and ease of use. As illustrated, there is a strap on two sides of the bowling bag, one on the bottom and one on the top, which can be used for carrying your bowling bag up or down stairs as necessary, and the handle that you push to move. These features show that this is a must-have.